session we are going to discuss about an experiment related to photosynthesis and names of some researchers and their contributions. The complex process involved in photosynthesis was unfolded after long years of studies and experiments by different scientists. Photosynthesis remains an aspiring area of research even today. Shall we prepare a science edition by collecting information about research activities related to photosynthesis? Photosynthesis was partially discovered in the 1600s by Jan Baptista van Helmont, a Belgian chemist, physiologist and physician. Joseph Priestley is another scientist who contributed to the discovery of photosynthesis. In 1774, he proved that oxygen is formed as a result of photosynthesis. Cornelis van Niel, he proved the source of oxygen evolved during photosynthesis. In 1930s, he proposed the general equation for photosynthesis. Jean Senebier, he explained that green plants consume carbon dioxide and release oxygen under the influence of light. Melvin Calvin, he explained the cyclic changes that occur during the dark phase of photosynthesis. Jan Ingenhousz, he is known as the father of photosynthesis. He explained the process of photosynthesis in detail. He was the first scientist to do Hydrilla experiment. Now, let us discuss in detail an experiment to prove evolution of oxygen during photosynthesis when sunlight falls directly and indirectly. Aim of the experiment is to show the evolution of oxygen during photosynthesis when sunlight falls directly and indirectly. Materials required for the experiment are beaker, funnel, test tube and hydrilla plant. Then the procedure. Take a beaker half filled with water. Keep the twigs of hydrilla plant in the beaker. Cover the plant with an inverted glass funnel. Cover the mouth of the funnel using an inverted test tube filled with water. Place the experimental setup in the dim light for few hours and observe the changes. Then place the experimental setup in the sunlight for few hours and observe the changes. Observations. When the experimental setup was kept in the dim light, only less bubbles of oxygen gas was formed. But when the experimental setup was kept in the direct sunlight, more bubbles of oxygen was formed. Inference. Evolution of oxygen is more when kept in sunlight when compared to dim light. you understood today's session. Thank you.